There's a lady out there saying with the banner.
But thank
She's
you all
out there
for being
waiting.
here. I'm Quinn with Summit Title Services, and we are so happy to be here for REMAX and their incredible remodel. And so here is Stephanie and Steve Prescott, and they're going to tell us all about their remodel.
Thank you. Anyone here? Okay. Okay, so thanks for coming. I'm kind of the welcome wagon here, and Stephanie's going to give a little more insight into part of our company and that. But I was just telling Eric over here that back in, we bought the building in 2007, and we had about 6,000 square feet over here, and we ended up needing the extra space on this side. So we had a great tenant, which was Avenues Therapy, and it was a tough decision, but we asked them if we could take over their space. So anyway, we had Ryman Corp come in, and they totally scraped everything, and we started from scratch on this side. So it's been great, and we've thoroughly enjoyed moving into this area. And it feels a little weird now that we're separated from from some of the agents over there to here, but we're getting used to it, and as it fills up, it's going to be even better. So anyway, thanks for coming out. I'll give you a little insight in the market. I'm sure some of you were at the chamber lunch, and I gave just a quick synopsis of the market, which was everyone asks, it's in real estate, like how's the market, how's it going? And everyone replies with, it's crazy. It's so crazy. It's crazy. So I had to really give an idea of what crazy is. So if you can envision yourself as a seller, it's if you can envision yourself running down your street with big bags of money under your arms, money's flying out behind you, and you're just kicking your heels all the way to the bank. That's what it's like being a seller. If you're a buyer in this market, it's a little bit opposite. You can envision yourself walking downtown, maybe at the depot night. Your head's kind of down. You're looking for your friends. You have a big "kick me" sign on the back of your back, and you don't even know that. That's kind of what it's like being a buyer. So buyers are getting kicked around, and it's really challenging for them. But great for sellers, and great for us that own homes in the market, in the Cheyenne market, as our appreciation continues to go up. So thanks for being here for a red carpet, and I'll hand it over to Stephanie. She can give a little insight into our company. Thanks.
Hi again. Thank you very much for being here. We appreciate it. We're excited. When we bought the company, we wrote a mission, a vision, and a belief statement, and our vision was to be considered a creative and giving piece of the community. So every day our decisions are based around that. So a couple of things this summer that have been really fun for that we're sold on our community campaign, where we brought 16 high school kids together, had a blast. They're from all 3 high schools, and we did the We're Sold on our community billboard photo shoot. And what's great about that is all the outtakes we have from that. Some of them are really fantastic, and some of them will not be seen because they were so funny, but probably not appropriate. But super fun, and we're grateful for that. And the other part has been our agents, and we've been rolling that video here. Our agents have had a blast around the community on all the areas shown that were sold. Then we recently rolled out our Get Up Challenge video, and that was excellent too. We didn't realize we had so many dancers here. Some of us are and some of us aren't, but we all tried. So again, just thank you so much for being here. We have some barbecue sauce if you'd like to take some, and we have plenty of food, and just take time to visit. And thank you.
All right. Does anyone have All right. Does anyone have any questions for Steve or Stephanie?
I do. On saying how the rate went down, how does that change your scenario about the market? Because the interest rate, they dropped it like a lot.
Yeah, so I'm not really sure. I haven't really looked. It was just in the last couple of days, I believe.
Yes.
And I don't know if that was long-term rates or short-term rates. A lot of times they talk about rates, and they're dropping short-term rates, which are. With the rate update.
So the only reason I know this is I got an email from NAR yesterday and I read it. I did too. He's too busy selling real estate. I'm just rolling my thumbs in the opposite. So actually, kind of ironically, the email said that when the Federal Reserve drops rates, secondary mortgage markets rates can rise just a little bit because of investor confidence in the market. But the email said that mortgage lenders and investors have known about this for a long time, so the current rates, I think, really already reflect what was going to happen. So anyway,
There's our in-house CTA right there.
And to follow up on that, with how does it play out with our real estate market? I think the inventory is so low in Cheyenne that I think it would take a huge rate increase at this point to make a big difference with buyers. I mean, there are plenty of buyers and not enough inventory at this point. So, a good question. Thanks, Tyler. Are there any other questions?
What challenges did you have during the renovation?
Oh, challenges. Well, cost was one. That's always one because you think it's going to cost a certain amount and it ends up going way above that. Other than that, probably timing was always a challenge because you think it's going to happen so much faster and it just drags out. And nothing against Ryman, but they had a big deal going on over at CFD, which was that big, like the sponsor, building. So that was, they were kind of double teaming here between the two places. So that was a little bit of a challenge. And overall, the process was really great. At one point, I was getting frustrated thinking, boy, I was freaking out because of the cost and the timing. And then I just thought, I should just embrace it. We should embrace it because it's a fun opportunity to be able to choose everything and mold the inside of this building the way we wanted to. So there were a few challenges, but overall, it was a really nice process, and we enjoyed the opportunity to do it. So it was really fun.
So how do you foresee this room being used for the community? Is it just your break room, or what are your plans for this room?
Well, that's a good question. But we have already had several other companies have the red carpets here. We'll have a grand opening on the 19th of September. We have our sales meetings in here. Several agents will come in here to work. It's just a collaborative area where they can talk but work and bring their laptops in. Some customers have shown up early for their appointments and just had their lunch while they were waiting. So the future will tell us better, but we have come up with some standards and some rules and regulations on how the building can be used by the community. So if you are interested in that, just call us and Elizabeth Coleman will organize those details, make sure we have the room available, and go over the details with you. Okay? You need it?
How many offices did you add with the expansion?
12.
12.
12
That's
offices.
fantastic.
And then we have some pods for people to work in this entire area.
Yeah.
So we find that our agents love to collaborate together and get some ideas and talk out some of the things they're working on, and then have a place to go where it's private also. So that was our objective. Anything else? Well, thank you.
Thank you.